Just want to talk about what Hondata released today. They updated their Flashpro device, and what they did was add two-step anti-lag, rolling anti-lag, that is, and full throttle shift. So I want to go ahead and show you at least the two-step today and see what you think. And I have a straight downpipe and HKS premium exhaust, so we'll get the full sound of how that is in cabin and outside the car. So to activate two-step, it's 3 simple steps: clutch pedal, gear positioning, and a cruise control button. So make sure your clutch pedal's down, you're in first gear, and next you're gonna hold the RPMs at your desired launch. You're gonna hold the cancel button, and now you're ready to step on it, and then you will hold the RPM you set.